Welcome to Altrady, where we empower your trading journey with the tools and insights you need to succeed. Today, we're focusing on a key feature that every trader should leverage, the Watchlist. Let's explore how to use it to spot the best trading opportunities for your next session. Your Watchlist is more than just a list. It's your gateway to strategic trading. A watchlist in Altrady is a personalized list of cryptocurrencies that you're monitoring for potential trading opportunities. It helps you keep an eye on interesting assets without cluttering your dashboard with every available market. Let's dive into how to build and utilize your watchlist effectively. Navigate to the Markets widget in Altrady. Now, right-click on any market and select Create New Watchlist. Give your watchlist a name. A short name will automatically be created for you as well. Choose a color and save the watchlist. Now, back in the Markets widget, you can search for the cryptocurrency you're interested in. When you find a market that you want to watch, right-click on the market name. Select the newly created watchlist from the list. Notice how the market is now added to the watchlist. Maintaining an effective watchlist is key to its usefulness. Here are some tips. Regularly review and update. Keep your watch list fresh and relevant to current market conditions. Categorize your watch list. Consider creating different watch lists for various strategies or asset types. Use alerts. Set up price alerts for assets on your watch list to never miss an opportunity. If you want to watch the markets in multiple watch lists at the same time, you can use the Control or Command key on your keyboard to select multiple lists in the Markets widget. Now you have one overview of all the markets of interest. You can also open all markets in your watch list with 2 clicks. By staying organized and proactive, your watch list becomes a powerful tool in identifying the best trading opportunities ahead of your next session. Your watch list is an essential part of your trading toolkit in Altrady, helping you stay focused on potential winners while filtering out the noise. Use it wisely and you'll find it easier to spot and act on opportunities that align with your trading goals. For more insights and tips on making the most of Altrady's features, don't forget to subscribe. Happy trading!